Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yanmar YM2000. Nice diesel tractor. It's got a brand new loader on it. 5-foot bucket. That'll lift up over 7.5 feet, and you can fill it with rocks and it'll lift it. As long as you have it weighed properly in the back to counterbalance, put a tiller on or something like that, it'll lift it. Pretty good shape. Tires are in nice shape. It's got a brand new seat. It's got a high and a low and 4 gears. So it's got 8 forward speeds, 2 reverse. It's got a 3-speed PTO. Really nice shape, actually. It's got less than 1,000 hours on it. It's got 969 hours on it. Been completely serviced. Doesn't leak oil. Doesn't blow smoke. Lights work. No big gouging rust spots or anything like that. It's original paint. Looks nice. Go ahead and start it up. Give it some gas. Doesn't blow smoke. Nice and clean. Brand new battery. All new fluids, filters. So anyhow, there it is. Yanmar YM2000. Nice diesel tractor. If you want to see this one, any other tractors we have, go to our website at ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.